Okay, we're looking at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 All Terrain. All right, it's a four-wheel drive. It's Summit White in color. It's got 108,000 miles on it. All right, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. First thing we notice, it does have the front park assist and some rock chips right here, just kind of scattered about right here on the front bumper. Okay, but with the vehicle with this many miles, that's to be expected. Okay, but the price will be competitive. All right, and the price will be fair. It is the all-terrain. Got the chrome side caps, chrome door handles. It's got the soft tonneau cover. It does have the rear park assist as well. Got your tow hitch and the trailer plug-in. Rear view camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks good down through here. Okay, and then one more thing I want to show you on the front bumper. Got a small dent right here in the bumper. Okay, I'll show you that. And then back here by the side door, the passenger side, driver's side, paint right here is just chipping away a little bit right through here. Okay, want to show you that. It's got the black on black door panels, memory seats, power windows, power locks. It's got the power mirrors. They also fold in. Okay, it is a four-wheel drive. All right, it does have the black leather. Kind of got a nice little pattern here on the leather on the trim. It's a power driver's seat. All right, driver's seat leather's in good shape. They are the captain's chairs. The nice big console in between. Keyless entry, remote start. Okay, a lot of storage in here. Got a power outlet there, two USBs, plug-ins there, an auxiliary plug-in, and an SD card reader. Got your cup holders there. Got more power outlets here, USB. All right, adjustable pedals, heated seats. Does have the dual climate controls, AM, FM, CD, and your display screen will be right there, and we'll show you that in a second. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the passenger seat leather. Okay, it's in great shape as well. Leather wrap steering wheel, Bluetooth steering wheel, audio controls. It's got your cruise control right there, and it's got a heated steering wheel. And once again, it is four-wheel drive. All right, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 108,376 miles on it. Now that we got it started up, go ahead and show you your home screen here. All right, I know it says it's got navigation here, but when you press it, okay, it's just the OnStar navigation. It's not going to be the screen that has all the roads and interstates on there, anything like that. It's just turn by turn through the OnStar of the vehicle. All right, got the backup camera there. Once again, the heated seats. Okay, dual climate controls. Got your adjustable pedals here. Okay, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, it also has the Bose audio too. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but it does have the Bose audio. All right, back seat door panels look good. All right, carpet's nice and clean back here. Back seat leather's in good shape. Got the power rear window here. Okay, center console comes down. Got your cup holders there. Nice convenient power outlet here. Let's go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, like I mentioned earlier, it does have the soft tonneau cover. It's the Gator truck bed protection. It does have the tailgate protector right here, but no bed liner. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 18-inch chrome wheels. All right, those are not caps, that's chrome wheels there, 18 inches. All right, tires are in good shape. Still plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, it's a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 all-terrain package. Okay, it's got all the bells and whistles. It's got 108,000 miles on it. Okay, it's got a few little dings here and there, but it will be priced fairly. It will be priced competitively. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.